Hi everyone, Angie Hunt here. I'm in the LDRS studio. It is sneak peek time because we're heading back to HSN and I couldn't be more excited. Jot this down because this date is coming up quick. It's next week already. August 13th, I'm going to go on 3 different times. The first time's a little bit early, but it's going to be worth it. The first time you'll see me there is at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then I'll be back again at 8 a.m. and then again at 6 p.m. And I have some really fun things to show you, so you won't want to miss it. I'm so excited to be going back again. You have no idea how much we've been planning for this. I want to show you the very first kit that is a card kit. Check this out. Isn't that beautiful? This is all die cut pieces. Now watch what happens when I open this up. Look at her! Isn't she gorgeous? Just look at that little fairy. She's so beautiful. She's in a little garden scene. All of the pieces that you see on the front of this card, these are all die cut pieces that you're going to punch out of some sheets. And then when you open this up, we give you everything that you see here. Isn't that beautiful? So you're going to get that little garden scene and all of those little pieces there, the sentiments, everything. You're even getting envelopes. Let me show you some of these die cut sheets here because these are just gorgeous. Look at that. Aren't those beautiful? We give you the front and the back. These are fairies. We have 2 different fairies here. We have this one here where she's a little bit bigger. She has red hair. Then we have a little blonde. She's like a little fairy ballerina. How cute. Look at all of these beautiful pieces. So you get the front and the back. So when they spin, you're not going to see just plain white in the back of them. You're going to see the actual back of the character. How cool. We've thought of everything. Everything in this kit is going to coordinate beautifully. Look at these pieces here. More die cut pieces. Lots of accessories, flowers and leaves and all kinds of things. Look at how gorgeous these are. These are going to be the sheets that you put on the front of your card. And then these all go on the inside, in the back, to create that beautiful, I'll show you on this one, it's that beautiful peek-through color. Isn't that so pretty? That's what this is in the background, that peek-through. And then this is the piece that goes on the front. And what do we have over here? I showed you how we had that garden in the background. This is all die cut. That's the garden. We also have a gorgeous wreath, and I'm going to show you a sample of that in just a moment. You're going to get card bases, and you're going to get envelopes too. So you get everything you need. We've thought of everything. Check this card out. I have a few more samples to show you. Look at how gorgeous that is. So you could spin a character. So like maybe you want it to be the fairy or the bunny. Maybe you want it to be a beautiful flower. You can customize these to your liking. Look how pretty. Look at that. Is the other fairy spinning. Oh, how gorgeous. And that's that gorgeous wreath again. Watch this one. Oh, look at that little bumblebee in that garden scene. These are just so much fun. I can't wait till you guys get these in your hands because they're so easy to work with. But I'm telling you, once you spin one of these up and you give it to a friend, they open up that card, I'm telling you, all bets are off. They're not going to know what you did or how you did it. It is so cool. So let's make it easy for you guys to do that. How about we do a giveaway? Let's give away 1 full card kit, this whole thing. And down below, I want you to tell me if you like the garden scene or do you like the wreath. Now that wreath can be used all year long. You can make that for Christmas. You can do whatever you want. And the wreath, this is fantastic for just about any time. Or the wreath, I'm sorry. It's our little garden scene. You can use that just about any time of year as well. I mean, why not? Fairies exist all year long, right? So tell me which one of those is your favorite. I want you to leave me a comment below. And then the show's on Tuesday, so on Monday I will be traveling, but sometime on Monday I want you to watch our Facebook group because somewhere in there I'm going to post the winner. I'm going to choose 1 winner from all of your comments, and you're going to get a free kit, and we're going to get it shipped out to you as soon as we get back. So one more time, you want to watch for us on August 13th, next Tuesday. It's going to be at midnight, 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. I can't wait to see you there. Bye for now.